In this video, we will see that learn.microsoft.com website will give you your own personal sandbox, in which the sandbox will be activated and the time will be allotted to you, and you can use 10 sandboxes for a day. Okay, so you can activate the sandbox, you can use multiple resources that are provided, and you can also see as your portal by yourself when you have the sandbox. So I hope this helps you, and if you do not want to create an account or do not want to get a subscription, what you can do is you can just create your account at learn.microsoft.com, and you can play around with these sandboxes, and they will allow you to help you to learn about the resources, creating virtual machine, using command line operations, going around the Azure portal, and many more things. So I recommend highly to create an account on learn.microsoft.com and use this account to create sandboxes and learn using them. So I hope it helps you.